In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on calendar sharing in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share your Outlook calendar from the web, choose the right permission level, and send a clean, professional invitation. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Click the official Outlook website to launch the web version. If you land on the mail view, that's perfect. You're in the right place. Make sure you're signed in with the account that holds the calendar you want to share. This could be a personal Microsoft account or a work or school account. If you're prompted for additional verification, just follow the on-screen steps. It's also a good time to double check you're not accidentally in a secondary or guest account. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, look to the left-hand navigation bar and select the calendar icon. This switches you from mail to calendar. Any view is fine, work week, month, or day. The sharing settings are the same across views. In the calendar panel on the left, find the calendar you want to share. Hover your mouse over its name to reveal the three-dot More Options button. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the panel to see it. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the menu, choose Sharing and Permissions. This opens a pane where you'll control who sees your calendar and what they can do with it. In the field provided, type the email address of the person or group you want to share with. Make sure you enter the address exactly as it's used by the recipient. You can add people one at a time and assign permissions individually. If you're sharing outside your organization, the recipient may need to sign in with a compatible account to view details. Next, select the permission level. You'll see options like Can View When I'm Busy, which only shows free and busy times. Can View Titles and Locations, which adds basic context. Can View All Details, which exposes full event information. Can Edit, allowing them to modify events. And Delegate, which gives assistant-style access, including managing invitations. Choose the least permissive option that still gets the job done. Full details or edit access are best reserved for trusted collaborators. When you're ready, click Share. Outlook sends an invitation to the people you added, and their names will appear in your sharing list with the selected permission. You can come back to the same sharing and permissions area anytime to change levels or stop sharing. That's it. Your calendar is now shared securely and on your terms.